Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and today I have a shape that I want to talk about, and it is usually referred to as the Klein bottle. This is an elongated Klein bottle, and as you can see, it's a self-intersecting, very interesting piece of geometry. It's a bottle, but it has a tube that goes to the bottom and then emanates from the top, and then there's a hole that tube goes through. So it's a Klein bottle. In order to create something like this, it's almost like a 3D Mobius loop. It's something where if you start putting your finger along the outside surface and you keep going around and around, you'll find yourself sooner or later on the inside surface. It's very interesting. And so, in order to make a Klein bottle, I started with a sketch, and I'd like to just go quickly through it with you. So here's a sketch. I'm going to roll to that position, and as you can see, I have a sketch here that I'm going to use for the different pieces of geometry. I'm going to revolve a surface. It's just a surface from a portion of the sketch, and then once I've got that revolved, I sweep from this edge. I sweep around, I do another sweep like that, I go all the way down, then I do an offset surface. This little blue surface is going to be used to create the hole that I use. I do a split, which enables me to trim the surfaces by that offset surface there, and then I do one more little sweep to finish off the surfaces. So now I've got all the surfaces. I Boolean unite them together, so that's nice. It's all one surface, and then this is an impossible shape because it's infinitely thin, and then I thicken it. So when I thicken it, it has a wall thickness. It looks really great. And finally, I do a fillet. So there you have it. The Klein bottle is mathematically very interesting. It was certainly fun for me to devise the method of creating it and sharing it with you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and there's plenty more of these coming. I'm having a lot of fun with these various CAD systems, and this is just what I really enjoy doing. So it's very nice to share it with you. Thank you.